One of the items that gives off a big first impression of your home is the exterior, and of course that includes the siding. So today we're talking about all of the options with Hardie Siding. Jamie Brenneman, Chattanooga Exteriors, thanks for having us.
Oh, thank you for being here.
All right, tell me a little bit about this product and as we talk about siding of the home.
Yeah, so this is the #1 siding in the U.S. It's Hardie Siding. Everybody pretty much knows this, but a lot of people don't know all the benefits that we have with it. I mean, the first one is it comes pre-painted, so you can install it and it's done. With the other part of it is you can get all the trim, all the soffit, all the fascia, everything on your home can be made out of Hardie. It can all be pre-painted, and we put it up and it's done.
Perfect.
You can also get it unpainted, and it comes primed, and we can put it up and then we can paint it. You can get it pre-finished with any color that you want. They're doing custom colors now. That does delay the lead time some, and it does increase the price. But we have like 20 different colors that we can choose from that are stock colors, and so most people are picking the colors that they already have in stock.
Well, 20 different options. I mean, you're going to find something you love. And then if not, you can make it match exactly what the client has in mind. So remind everyone of the benefits of using a Hardie siding versus a traditional siding.
So Hardie siding is made out of cement. So it looks like wood siding. You can get the different designs, so you can have shake, board and batten, lap siding. You can get it smooth. You can get it wood grain. You can get all different size dimensions and everything like that, and so you really can customize everything, and it's cement, and so it can last hurricanes, tornadoes, everything that Mother Nature can throw at it. If you have woodpeckers, if you have carpenter bees, if you have I've had a few people that have had pests and things that are eating on their wood siding. It's heavier, but it lasts forever. So it'll last as long as you keep up with it. You'll pressure wash it once every 5 years. You'll paint it probably every 10, 15 years. And then, but if you get the pre-finished, it's warranted for 15 years.
Oh, perfect.
So that's the advantage of getting this pre-finished, because they can actually put the paint on it in a controlled environment.
How do we get started with a product like this and redoing a home or for a new construction either way?
Yeah, so you just give us a call, 805-3800, or go to our website, ChattanoogaExteriors.com, and fill out the contact form, and we'll be in touch with you.
Perfect. All right, Jamie, thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you
you
again soon. All right, we'll see you next time on The Deck.